In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth hover animation for a button in Webflow, an essential skill for enhancing the interactivity and aesthetic appeal of your website. Let's dive right into the process so you can add some dynamic flair to your designs. First, open up your project in the Webflow Designer. To get started, you'll need to select the button element that you want to animate. Simply click on the button itself within your design to highlight it. Selecting the right element is crucial as it sets the foundation for applying your animation effects. Once you've selected your button, look over to the right-hand side of your screen where the Style panel resides. Here you'll need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Effects. Within this section, you'll see a subsection called Transitions. This is where the magic happens. The Transitions area is your primary tool for adding any movement or transformation effects. To begin crafting your hover animation, you'll need to add a transition property. You'll notice a small plus icon right next to Transitions. Go ahead and click that little plus to open a new configuration panel where you can control the specific animation properties. Now let's configure those properties to create exactly the effect you're envisioning for your button. First, decide on the type of CSS property you aim to animate. Perhaps you want to apply a transform for movement, adjusting the position of your button, or maybe a background for altering your button's color. Alternatively, a box shadow could add a three-dimensional effect. If you'd like to apply several changes simultaneously, the All option will cover every modification you make, which is perfect for complex animations. Next comes the duration. This controls how long the animation will take from start to finish, affecting the pace and feel of the movement. You'll find this is measured in milliseconds and ms. For instance, setting it to a longer duration like 300 ms to 500 ms will result in a smooth, slower animation. This often feels more polished and deliberate. On the other hand, a shorter duration creates a snappier motion for more dynamic interactions. Finally, let's talk about easing, a critical component in how animations accelerate and decelerate. In the same transition settings, you'll find different easing options to choose from. Ease in out or ease out are particularly popular and often contribute to a natural feeling movement that can greatly enhance your user experience. So, there you have it. With these configurations in place, your button will now possess a smooth hover animation. This simple yet effective technique elevates the user interaction on your site, making it not only more engaging but also aesthetically pleasing. By mastering Webflow's transitions, you've added another invaluable skill to your web design toolkit. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.